How do you book your group transportation? If you're like most people, you would rely on the internet to find a bus service. But can you honestly tell your group if your bus will arrive on time? At Chauffeur, we understand the challenges you face, especially when you depend on your reservation to transport your group safely and on time. That's why we've developed the fastest, the easiest, and most effective bus reservation system. Chauffeur has the largest private database of bus companies across North America. When you go online to request a quote, our system matches your criteria with a bus service to meet your needs. Immediately, you will receive quotes in your inbox. Our proprietary checkout system allows you to register and check out within seconds. Your preferences will be saved, so next time you can book easier in any of our 150 service areas. And just in case you have a question, our sales agents are available 24 hours a day. This is how a bus reservation should be, and it's proven, reliable, and available now. Go to www.chauffeur.com today and book smarter.